Hello everyone! Today I will be representing an overview of multiple linear regression, a powerful statistical technique used in various fields to model relationships between variables and make predictions. Let's dive in. So, what is multiple linear regression? It is a statistical method used to model the relationship between one dependent variable and two or more independent variables. This technique allows us to predict outcomes based on the influence of these predictors. For instance, we might want to predict house prices based on the factors like square footage, the number of bedrooms, and the distance to the city center. Now, when do we use multiple linear regression? Firstly, it's applicable when the dependent variable is continuous like sales or temperature. Secondly, when there are multiple factors influencing the outcome. Lastly, if we want to quantify the effect of each independent variable on the dependent variable, this method is widely used in fields like marketing, economics, and engineering. How do we actually use multiple linear regression? Step 1 is to collect and prepare the data. This involves ensuring that it's clean, free of outliers, and properly formatted. Step 2 is to fit the model using tools like Python, R, or even Excel. Step 3 is to analyze the results looking at coefficients, p-values, and performance metrics like R-squared. Finally, we use the model to make predictions based on new data. Multiple linear regression has many practical applications. In economics, it can predict GDP based on factors like investment and inflation. In health, it's used to estimate outcomes like blood pressure based on age, weight, and exercise frequency. Marketing teams use it to analyze the impact of advertising spent on sales. Engineers also use it to model energy efficiency in buildings. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Imagine we want to predict house price. Our dependent variable is the house price, which is continuous. The independent variables are square footage, the number of bedrooms, and the distance to the city center. Each of these is a key factor that affects the price. For example, a house with 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and located 5 miles from the city center might be priced at $300,000 US. Using multiple linear regression, we can quantify the contribution of each factor to overall price and use this model for future predictions. To make summarize, multiple linear regression is a versatile and widely used tool that helps us understand relationships between variables and make accurate predictions. Whether in business, healthcare, or engineering, its applications are endless.